The MP for Zabzugu constituency, Honorable John Binam Jaba, in company with the MCE for the area, contractors and residents, visited some sites of the developmental projects. The irrigation dam, which was the first point of call, is sponsored by the Ghana Irrigation Development Authority, and it is 90% completed to serve the people of Tasundu community in domestic activities and aid in all-year farming. Some residents in the area were excited that the dam has come to stay, saying it will help them in their cultivation of crops.
John Deba Binam, visitation of various projects that since he came to power assisted me cut the salt. We cut the salt for this project in January when he came and then ended the year with the constituents and also came here to cut the salt. We're expecting that within 10 months' time, the contract should have been completely executed. Right? It was fraught with some sort of litigation. By the end, we're able to sail through. So it's come, whilst the parliament is on recession, it's come to look at, inspect the dam so far, the work that has been done. That is why we have found ourselves here. You can all see, this dam is one of the one village, one dam projects. Fortunately, when he came to office, he decided that let us add some level of impetus in terms of funding for this dam to be done unique more than others. Exactly what he did, and we sought funds under this Ghana Irrigation Authority. They came here, assisted us, and then looked at the valley and said the valley will be conducive for one of the biggest dams to be constructed in the northern region.
I'm one of the representatives from the community. We are so happy this afternoon to receive the DCE and then the Honorable MP who's in our midst this afternoon. We are so saying thank you so much to the DCE and then the Honorable MP and the President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo as well. Because if you look at this area, most of our problems here is water, especially in the Zabzugu district. Tasundu, we used to have a lot of problems concerning water, especially during dry season. We don't have anything doing. We just be sitting after harvesting yam. We are seated idly. We don't have anything doing. So once this dam is created, it's not going to just be, it's not just only going to be the water we are coming to drink. We so say our animals will have source of water instead of them traveling with them to the Zabzugu dam for the animals to drink. Now we now have a dam here. Our animals will not be travel afar, so it will not be something that is, our works will be limited to us.
From the Tasundu community, the MP and his team moved to inspect a completed police station with a bungalow in Nakpale. The construction of the police station became necessary following the rise in criminal activities in the area due to its proximity to Togo and the rising threats of terrorist attacks. The secretary to the chief of the area, Mr. Saka Amin, has been speaking to NTV News. Honorable Jaba also visited the Warbago community to hand over a completed 2 semi-detached nurses bungalow, which is a project sponsored by the Northern Development Authority. The facility will house nurses in the community to help them deliver quality health care to patients at all times. According to the nurse in charge, Mr. Abukar Kamaldeen, the old bungalow was in a deplorable state and was grateful that the project has come in to save the situation. He also appealed for motorbikes to assist them reach out to rural communities.
And we are very happy to have received this key for accommodation for all the staffs here. We've been the old building was very dilapidated, so we were wishing and then praying that they will come and then commission this one so that we can live there. So we are very happy today that Honorable and then Chief has handed the key over to us, and we really appreciate so that we can now live there and then quality health care will continue. Thank you.
In addition to the monitoring visit of the MP, he also inspected the progress of work on the project to connect about 24 communities to the national grid, which was 90% completed. A contractor working on the project explained that the project will be completed soon. The Member of Parliament for Zabzugu constituency, Honorable John Binam Jaba, has been speaking to NTV News.
The contractor has handed it over to us. We are handing it over now to the in charge of Warbogu Health Center, or is it a cheap compound? Good. So, Honorable DC, this case, can they hand them over to the in charge for Warbogu Chip Center? And we are very grateful to Northern Development Authority for giving us this helping hand.
Chief, the chief compound, we have other stakeholders. The chief representative is there that I will have the key to, so that he also intend hand over the key to the in charge.